how to get electronic SIM or how you can use Airalo SIM for your mobile application. If you want to install a new SIM for you, if you want to purchase a new SIM for you, let it be electronic or let it be physical SIM, how you can simply do it just from your device. This is my iOS and I will open my browser in front of me and search for Airalo SIM card purchase. Scroll down as you can see that is Airalo 5 GB India that will valid for 30 days and that will work in India. So you have to click on it. You can check the price here. Then click on to buy SIM. Click on the buy now option. You can read all the details just down here. This is the information of your SIM card here. On the next page you can make the payment and the next page will be a complete section. You can get eSIM and here you enter the email address where you will receive a QR code for activation of electronic SIM of yours. Then you can simply scan the QR code of your the received QR code on your Gmail. You have to scan it on the iPhone SIM management setting like this. You can see add eSIM option. You have to click on it and then you can add it. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching.